Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z for joker. Z for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for universe. U for universe. V for van. V for van. W for water. W for water. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.